Hello, long time no see. I am coming to you live post-workout. I am so sweaty and gross, but I am going to lunch with my best friend today and I haven't seen her in a long time, so I want to turn this mess into something presentable. But what I wanted to do was try out the new Garnier Fructis Hair Filler collection that they were nice enough to send over. So there's 3 different hair filler systems. This one has the ceramide. This one has the hyaluronic in it. And then the one I got is the hair filler plus vitamin C, which is going to strengthen and repair my hair. It literally says, fill hair with strength 7 layers deep, reverse up to 1 year of visible damage in 1 use. So it's a 4-step process. First is the hair filler and bonding inner fiber repair treatment that you rinse out before you shampoo or do anything else. Step 2 is the strength repair shampoo for weak and damaged hair. Step 3 is the strength repair conditioner. Step 4 is the hair filler plus vitamin C strength repair serum. This goes on dry or damp hair and you do not rinse it out. So I'm going to shower really quickly and do something with this face, and then I will come back with my hair wet and I'll apply this on camera, and then I can blow it out, you know, time lapse so you guys don't have to watch it. And then I'll give you my first impressions, and then over time I will tell you guys what I think when I use the product more and more. So I'll be right back. So I have to say something really fast. I just showered and I did a very quick makeup. Like, you can tell I did this really fast. Anytime I get ready, I let my hair air dry while I'm doing my makeup and everything. My hair's almost dry and I did this very quickly. Normally my hair will hold on to water for so long because it's so damaged. It'll be soaked forever. Like, my hair's almost dry. I can't believe it. So I just wanted to say that really fast. That's something I noticed right away. Now I'm going to put in the hair filler, and it just says do steps 1 through 3 first, which we already did. Apply serum to dry or damp hair. Do not rinse. So I don't know how much to put, but I mean, it's a serum, so about that much. Smells pretty good. Has a fruity smell. Like a I want to say like cantaloupe. I don't want to do too much. I didn't put any other products in my hair. Like, I'm not going to use, I know it's bad, but I'm not going to use any heat protectant or anything, because I just want to see how this, you know, works on its own without any of my other stuff I normally put in. So just for one time, and I will start drying my hair and then I'll come back. I'm gonna stop real fast because it has like life and body and shine. Like, look at that shine. All right, I'm gonna keep going. One thing I wanted to mention about all of these products is I looked up each product, even for the hyaluronic and the ceramide systems, and they're all $9.99, which I think is very affordable and worth it. So half my hair is done, or at least the bottom half. I have to say, I have not had a haircut since November. I've had it colored, as you can tell, but I have not had a haircut since November. So it's not like I have like a fresh cut. You know, your hair just dries differently when you have a fresh cut and like it just looks nice. No, like, this is just from the hair filler. It is wonderful so far. Let's get finished up. Okay, so my hair is done. It is so shiny and full of life. It doesn't look damaged. Like, look how nice it looks. And this is a very, very old haircut. It dried in literally a quarter of the time. Like, I just want to keep touching it because it feels so soft. Like, the ends don't look dry. Somehow my split ends are gone. I wish I showed you them before, but I haven't had a haircut in so long. I can't believe it. Like, I really cannot believe it. Like, it feels so nice. I don't even want to get, I'm sweaty already from drying my hair, but I don't even want to mess this hair up now. Big thank you to Garnier for sending me these products to test out. I absolutely love them. You can test them out for yourself. I'll have a link in my bio. Also, I want to make sure I tell you the right thing. Amazon, Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, and Ulta. You can check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think if you do. Also, be on the lookout for more videos. I'm going to test this out longer and give you my thoughts over time. But after one use, I'm hooked. Bye. I just wanted to add something really fast. I just got back from lunch with my best friend, and a second she sat down, she was like, oh my God, your hair. What are you doing to your hair? It looks so good. And like, we've been best friends for over 30 years. She's not like a fake friend that like tells me something's good when it's not. And I was like, Jessica, it's Garnier Hair Filler. You gotta get it. So there's one outside review so far. I'll keep you guys posted.